is a security thief. It's not joke. It's not joke. Joke apart. This is not joke. This is something that can save life. It happened to my friend. This is Honda, and I'm not teaching this in with only Honda. I'm telling you, it can work with any car. Open the boot. Go and open the boot. Open the boot. It can work with any car. Don't stop. Watch this. Open the boot. Boot. Some days ago, my friend was kidnapped on his way to wedding, and say that he put him inside the boot and drive him for hours inside the bush. Yes, inside the bush, and they passed through noisy areas, but all the noise he was making inside the boot, people didn't know. Why? Because you didn't know what I'm about to teach you now. This doesn't have to do whether you have a car or you don't have a car. You need to learn this. You need to learn this. If kidnappers kidnap you, the place they always put the person is inside the boot, and they will collect inside. Are you getting me now? So if they put inside the boot for any reason, even if a young person, old person, you can do this. Now they will put you inside the boot like this. Now you are inside the boot. Please don't struggle with them. Don't shout. Don't shout at that moment. Relax. Just pretend as though you are scared, but you will just be monitoring the boot the way it is. Please don't do this when they are moving in a lonely place. They might end up killing you. Just listen. You need the ears to be able to know what to do. You listen whenever you notice that they are now in a busy road, or wherever you know people are, or for any reason they stop, and you notice that you're hearing the sound of people there. This is what you're going to do. Close the boot. Close the boot. Now I am inside the boot. Off this light. Let me show people something. Off the light. Off the light. Do you notice this thing? You notice that the thing is showing color. It's showing they did it in such a way that we'll be able to know. Are you getting me now? Do you see that? Do you see that? As you are inside the boot, my brother, be praying. My sister, be praying. God is still God in heaven. So you just relax. They will sit down inside. You'll be hearing everything they are talking. You will be monitoring when you hear people, where people are. What you are going to do is this. You come here. Can you see this? Do you see this? Are you seeing it? Just do like this. So if you do it, they might not even do it for them to notice. You might just, they tie your hand, or maybe they don't tie your hand. Just open this like this, small. Motor is moving. They might not know that the boot is open. My brother, open it small like this, and you have to notice and raise alarm that you are inside the boot. By this, it will attract people's attention. If you are going to jump out, you can just room, because say na life and death. I hope you learned something. Share it with somebody. Somebody need to learn it. Somebody need to learn it. Country no good. Thank you.